Good morning, class. Today is another day of our class. So before we begin, let's have an prayer to be led by Janraiko Basali. Thank you, Lord. So good morning once again, class. Good morning. So how is your day? Very good. So everyone is okay. So let's have an attendance. Janraiko Basali, Just, Justin Basali, Sunshine Busaran. Okay, everyone is present. So, let's have a review. Can anyone tell what is our topic last week? Yes. Okay, very good, Sunshine. So, today, we have another topic. Before we tackle our topic, let's have an objective. So our first objective is identify the parts of a seed. Second, define germination. Third is illustrate the understanding of the function of each part. So, I have a question. Have you seen a seed? Okay. What kind of seed do you know? Very good. So today I have a short story and I want you to listen carefully and we will answer few questions later. So the title of our story today is about The Tiny Seed by Eric Gale. So did you enjoy the story? Okay. So are you ready to answer some questions? Okay. So the first question is, who is the main character of the story? Yes, Jerilyn. Okay, tiny seed. So, what blows the seed? Yes, Janraiko. Okay. Did the tiny seed fell on the ground during autumn? Okay, very good. Why do you think tiny seed last one to grow? Okay. So, what approach would you use to help tiny seed grow? And what do you think is the purpose of the flower losing its seed? Anyone? Okay, yes, Jerilyn. Very good. So our topic for today is about seeds and its germination. So seeds have been an important development in the reproduction and spread of flowering plants. Seed, though too small, they have their own parts. Like an ordinary living things, a seed only develops its part only when it undergoes a process called seed germination. So, what is seed germination? Seed germination is the process by which plants emerge from seed and begin to grow. That is germination. Is a process where seeds begin to grow. So next is a part of a seed. So what are the parts of the seed? The first part is the embryo. Embryo is a very young plant which a new plant grow under proper condition. So embryo is a young plant which a new plant grow under proper condition. So the embryo is, have you seen the illustration? This is the embryo. This is the embryo. He is in the outside. So next is radicle. Is a first part of a seedling to emerge. from the seed during the process of germination. So, can anyone point where is radical? Okay, very good. This is the radical. This is the radical. So next is the epicotyl. Epicotyl is in the origin of a seedling stem above the stalk of the seed leaves of an embryo plant. The embryonic shoot above the cotyledons. So, have you seen the cotyledons? Very good. Yes, Clark Justin, please point out where is the cotyledon. Very good. This is the cotyledon. Next is the seed coat. The seed coat develops from tissue originally surrounding the ovule. The seed coat helps protect the embryo. So this is the seed coat. He helped protect the embryo. This is the seed coat. Clark Justin, can you point where is the seed coat is? Very good. This is the seed coat. So the next is the cotyledons. Cotyledons are the parts of the seeds that are often referred as seed leaves or first leaves of the seedling. Cotyledon is the seed leaf within the embryo of a seed. This is because they supply food to the baby plant coming out during the seed germination. So this is the cotyledon. She gave food, or he is the one who supplies food in this area. Next is the hypocotyl. Hypocotyl is the embryonic axis that bears the seedling leaves. This is the hypocotyl. This part, the leaf part. So, where is the cotyledon? It's here. So, did you understand our lesson for today? Has anyone have a question, or anyone didn't understand what our topic for today? Okay, so again, let's have a review. What is the very young plant from which a new plant grows under the proper condition? Very good, Clark Justin, the embryo. Next is, what about the embryonic root in the dicot seed? Okay, radical, very good. What do you call the seed's own food supply? Yes, what is the two seeds own food supply? Okay, very good. Epocotyl and the cotyledon. So today let's have a groupings. Let's have a groupings. Group 1 is this row, the row 1 and the row 2, and the second group is this row, the row 3 and the row 4. Group 1 will answer the question. Group 2 will identify its part. So, answer this in 5 minutes. So, let's begin. Let's start now. Okay, the 10 minutes is over. Sit down and we will have another quiz. So, in your book, turn your book on page 85 so that and you can answer the question. You answer it in a 1/4 sheet of paper, and you will answer it in 10 minutes. Okay? Timer start now. Okay. 10 minutes is done. So, our assignment is about on the page 85. Read it and pass your assignment tomorrow. Okay. So, anyone, did you understand our topic for today? Does anyone have a question or struggle a lot about our topic? Okay. So, what is our topic for today again? Okay, about the seed and its germination. So, what lesson have you learned for today's topic? Okay, very good. So, is there any question? Okay, if there is no question, class dismiss. Thank you for listening, class.